Okay, so number 6, get ready. And next we need to draw the connection from this side, curve down and connect to the top line of number 6 like this. Then we need to move here around like this to make his head. Like, go up like this, like letter U. Okay, and then move from this side to make his ear. And something about his inside ear. Like this, okay. And then the next step, we move from the side over his head and down. Okay, let's draw nose. So guys, I will be drawing fast, a bit faster. Okay, curve here and curve like that. Then his teeth. The thing I should apply like the teeth of the rabbit. And connect here. Okay, and then we drawing by this eye, the black oval inside his head, and okay, so his eye done. So we move the other step is drawing from his belly, that we start from his mouth down like this, and his hand, no, his hand, yes. Okay, and move down to connect on his hairline. And the last thing is we need to draw by his legs here. Okay. The last choice, we're drawing by his tail, so just start from this. No, I think it should start from this side and this side. So like this. Okay, and then okay, I think it should move it forward and then move up and small like this. Okay, and make a big shape at the end.